Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Oxyclean Whitening Revive is probably one of the most sought-after laundry solutions for those looking to combat stubborn stains and restore the brilliance of their whites, making it a staple in many households seeking that extra level of clean and brightness that ordinary detergents often miss, especially when dealing with dingy fabrics or yellowing over time. Number 5. Oxyclean White Revive Laundry Whitener. Tired of dingy whites? Discover the power of Oxyclean White Revive. It's the bleach alternative that brings your laundry back to life. Don't let stains win. This potent powder tackles tough stains, even without bleach. Get ready for a truly revitalized clean. You want bright whites without harsh chemicals. Our formula is designed to be gentle on fabrics while still delivering exceptional whitening power. Simply add it to your regular wash cycle. It works with both standard and heat machines for effortless brightening. Give your favorite clothes a new lease on life. Experience the OxiClean difference and enjoy brilliantly white laundry, load after load. What we like? This powder is a fantastic alternative to traditional bleach, offering powerful whitening and brightening capabilities. It's designed to tackle even the toughest stains, making your whites look their best. If you're looking for a bleach-free way to revive dingy or stained laundry, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Whitening Revive really works and makes my clothes look brighter. I love how this product revives the colors of my clothes, making them look new again. It's great for removing stains and keeping whites white. Number 4. OxiClean Versatile Stain Remover Powder, 3 pounds. Introducing OxiClean Versatile Stain Remover. It's your go-to solution for tackling even the most stubborn stains. Experience a powerful clean that's safe for all your fabrics. Harness the cleaning power of OxiClean. This versatile formula works wonders on a variety of surfaces and materials. Get ready to see your laundry like never before. This generous 3 pounds container ensures you have plenty of stain-fighting power on hand. It's perfect for families and for tackling large loads of laundry. Keep your home looking its best with this essential cleaning product. From grass stains to wine spills, this remover handles it all. Its versatile nature makes it suitable for pre-treating, soaking, or adding directly to your wash. Enjoy a truly versatile cleaning experience. Not only does it remove stains, but it also brightens colors and whitens whites. It helps to eliminate odors, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and looking vibrant. Discover the difference it can make. What we like? This versatile powder is your go-to for a wide array of stains, not just in laundry but on various surfaces too. It also helps to eliminate odors, leaving your items fresh. If you need a multi-purpose cleaner that can handle diverse messes and deodorize effectively, consider this option. What people say. This product is amazing for whitening clothes. It really revives the brightness of fabrics. Works great on tough stains and makes whites look brighter. Number 3. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Whitener and Stain Remover Power Paks. Tired of dull, dingy whites? Introducing a revolutionary way to bring your laundry back to life. Get ready for brighter, whiter clothes with every wash. Don't let stains win. These powerful packs are designed to tackle tough stains, from grass to wine. Watch as they disappear, leaving your fabrics looking like new. It's more than just a whitener, it's a reviver. It works deep within the fibers to restore the brilliance of your whites. Experience the difference true revival makes. Laundry day just got simpler. Just toss 1 pack into your washing machine. No measuring, no mess, just powerful cleaning action. Get more washes for your money. This convenient 24-count pack ensures you have plenty on hand for all your laundry needs. Keep your whites looking their best, longer. Trust the OxiClean name for exceptional cleaning. These packs deliver the powerful performance you expect, making your whites brilliantly white again. What we like? Enjoy the ultimate convenience with these pre-measured power packs, offering a bleach alternative for your laundry needs. They are incredibly easy to use, just toss one in with your load. If you value simplicity and want a mess-free way to whiten and brighten clothes, these packs are perfect for busy households. What people say. It is a good product that works well. It is a good product that works well. Number 2. OxiClean White Revive Laundry Liquid. Tired of dingy whites? Introducing the revolutionary OxyClean Whitening Revive laundry liquid. It's designed to bring your whites back to life. Its powerful formula targets tough stains, ensuring your clothes look their best. Say goodbye to stubborn marks and hello to brilliant whites. This liquid not only cleans but also brightens and revives your fabrics. It works to restore the original brilliance of your garments. With a generous 50-ounce bottle, you get up to 40 loads of powerful cleaning. That means long-lasting freshness and brightness for your laundry. Simply add it to your regular wash cycle for an effortless cleaning experience. It's the easy way to maintain pristine white clothes. Experience the OxyClean difference for yourself. Achieve brighter, whiter, and cleaner laundry with every wash. What we like? This liquid formula is designed for fast-acting stain removal, penetrating fabrics quickly to lift out messes. It effectively whitens and brightens your laundry without the harshness of bleach. If you prefer a liquid format for easy pouring and quick dissolving, and want to restore the brilliance of your whites, this is a great pick. What people say. This product is a game changer for whitening clothes. It effectively removes stains and brightens fabrics. My whites have never looked whiter. Number 1. OxyClean Whitening Revive Laundry Stain Remover Liquid. Tired of stubborn stains ruining your whites? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to bring your laundry back to life. This powerful formula penetrates deep to lift and remove even the toughest stains. Say goodbye to dinginess and hello to brilliant whites. It doesn't just remove stains, it revives and brightens your fabrics. Watch as your whites regain their original radiance with every wash. Simply add it to your regular laundry routine. Its convenient liquid form makes stain removal effortless. Get up to 40 loads of powerful stain-fighting action. Keep your favorite white garments looking their best for longer. Experience the OxyClean difference. Restore the brilliance of your whites with this essential laundry companion. What we like? Experience deep cleaning power with this concentrated liquid formula that works wonders on stains. It's specifically formulated to restore the brightness of your fabrics, making them look like new. If you're dealing with heavily soiled items or want to maintain the pristine look of your wardrobe, this liquid is a powerful solution. What people say. This is a great product that really whitens clothes. I was amazed at how well this product worked on my whites. It removed stains that I thought were permanent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.